I'm busy.
Anyways, you're supposed to take a picture with the TikTok humor, and TikTok will give you a sound. Some people say the sound tells something about you, reflects your personality, or shows if you're trapped.
It shows if you encountered a serial killer?
It means ugly. It means ugly.
Ah, that makes more sense. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Wait. Should I smile or should I be serious?
Up to you.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Wait. Okay, now go. Hold on. What if... No, wait. No, wait. Maybe, No, wait.
Just take the damn picture!
Okay. Sorry. So, is that a good thing?
Well, the title says goddamn. So, probably.
Cool. Let's do it next.
Well, I gotta go wash my fish. Bye. She doesn't even have a fish.